What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Don't throw shit at the wall today. Make sure you trade with a plan, trade discipline, all right? And don't do something that you're gonna regret, all right? I'm coming here through to save the day. And if you guys are brand new to the channel, don't ever forget, make sure you subscribe right here, like this video. I'm the only guy on this planet that has tracked over 3,300 plus penny stock breakouts. I've tracked damn near every single breakout since January 2025 because I wanted to trade with a dashboard where I can easily take a look at historical data. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how I use this tracker to make sure I actually have an edge in the market. So let's go back to Webull here. A couple things that I want you to notice for PAVS. Market cap sitting at 1 million. Now remember guys, market cap does not reflect what the current market cap is in pre-market. So this stock is up over 100% in pre-market, which means this market cap is also increased by over 100%, which means the market cap for PAVS is currently sitting at around 2 million, which is fine. I'll trade any stock with below a $50 million market cap. Free float is phenomenal on this bad boy as well, sitting at 2.9 million. That's below 10 million shares, which means this one does have potential to make a big move. Now, not only do I look at market cap, free float, but I also look at other things as well, like the time frame that the stock broke out in, okay? So what I want you to notice is right here, we make this big move up. This is very early in the morning at 4:25, all right? So for me, I don't count any breakouts that happen before 6 a.m. EST, okay? So for this stock right here, we pull back, we pull back, we pull back, and then right here between 6 to 7 a.m. EST, we get this 5-minute candle that breaks above this previous level, all right? So this right here is what I consider a breakout, and that's when I start tracking it. So your entry would be right here. I always count with a 15% stop loss, right? And then from there, I always try to see like the max percentage gain that you can get while in the trade. Now, if we go over here to the tracker, all I got to do is go to time frame, click on 6 to 7 a.m. By the way, all my one-on-one students get access to this. Just had 3 ladies sign up. So I'm onboarding 3 new ladies today. If you're a woman and you want to outdo your husband, or if you're a man and you want to become a better trader and you want to trade with data, click that link down below. I do want to add at least 3 more students here over the next week or so, okay? So time frame, we're going to do 6 to 7 a.m. Free float is going to be between 1 to 10 million. Market cap is going to be between 1 to 10 million. And then from here, you'll see total trades that I've tracked here over the past 15 months. We've only had 51 breakouts over the past 15 months that have met this exact criteria between 6 to 7 a.m. below 10 million shares on the float, below $10 million market cap, all right? Out of those 51 trades, only 20 of them went for 15% with a 39% win rate. And that's why I don't go long between 6 to 7 a.m. because it's just never like consistently, it's always just been a horrible time frame to try and trade breakouts. It's because it's very early in the morning. A lot of times these stocks just don't have enough volume to continue moving up. Now, what I want you to notice is that this stock actually, it pulled back right here immediately, but it would not have hit a 15% stop loss. You would still be in this trade, and this thing has popped since then all the way up to 24%. So now if I come back to my dashboard, I'm like, okay, not only did this stock run 15%, but it ran over 20%. So right there, I'm going to type in 20%. And I can see that 17 out of 51 ran for 20%. Now, my next question is, like on the prop firm, if I want to go and I want to short this stock, if I go in while it's 20% up and I have like roughly a 15% stop loss, that's going to be reflective of if the stock ran up over 40% from the breakout level. So 17 of them ran for 20%. Now I want to see how many of them ran for 40%. 11 of them ran for 40%. So what I found is between 6 to 7 a.m., most of them do not run for 15%, but once they do pop for over 15%, it's really hard to get an advantage as far as shorting it. And it's really hard to get an advantage like longing it as well, not with any of the strategies that I use. So for me, I'm not going to be trading PAVS today. This one could definitely continue to make a move up. I just don't have any setups, and I want to make sure I stay disciplined, and I don't want to take any setups that I'm going to later on regret, because if I try to short this while it's going up, I'm going to be pissed. And also, if I go long on it and we get a really deep pullback on it and it kicks me out, I'm also going to be pissed. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to be more disciplined and stick to the setups that I know. All right, next up we got FEED. This one broke out. Something that I want you to notice is that this next 5-minute candle closed red. This is typically a direct indication that this stock is probably not going to be the big runner for today. So FEED, probably not going to trade this bad boy. I don't see any setups on that one. UGRO, this was a runner from yesterday that you guys should have caught. Make sure you go check out my video from yesterday. $4.6 million market cap. That's phenomenal. Below 1 million shares on the float. I got the breakout level right here, $8.61. So I am going to be watching that one. Anna. For Anna, guys, I'm just going to mark that off the list. Take a look at this market cap right here, 363 million. I'm not trading that. If anything, I might short it in the prop firm account today, but I'm definitely not going to be trading it. So Anna, I'm not going to be trading. Now for ELAB also broke out right here at 7:25 a.m. This next 5-minute candle closed red. So you can see if you would have traded, if you would have got right in on that breakout, that's a 15% loss. It would have already hit stop loss. So for me, I am not going to be trading ELAB today, all right? Because it's already a loser on my tracker. Now if we go down to GLXG, just really no volume there. YMT. This one was a breakout earlier, but if you take a look, this is a really good example. So YMT, you can see that the market cap says 34 million right here. However, when this stock broke out, it was up over like 30-something%. And if you increase that 34 million, I make sure I go to ChatGPT and I say, hey, increase this market cap by X percentage, whatever percentage is up for the day. And this stock was really sitting at over a $50 million market cap. It was like at 51 million. So I would not have taken YMT anyway because it was over a $50 million market cap. Now, another stock that I do have on the watch list is going to be CVV right here. I think this one's probably going to break out going into market open. $25 million market cap, 5 million shares on the float. Breakout level is going to be right here at $4.38. So I got an alert set right here. So if CVV breaks out between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. EST and it breaks out as a green light special, which is one of my best setups, I will take that setup. Now, everything underneath that, guys, is pretty dead. I mean, you know, you're looking at stuff that has very low volume, so I'm not even going to go down the remaining of the list. For me, the biggest watch that I have right now is definitely going to be CVV. And UGRO, I'll possibly take that one as well, but not a lot of great setups. We'll have to see if we get anything else here in market open. So make sure you trade with some discipline. If you guys have over 10K plus in your portfolio, you want access to my entire dashboard so you can actually filter through and see all the variables that truly matter and see where you actually have an edge and see where you don't. Especially important if you're trading with over 10K plus in your portfolio. Click that link down below. I would love to teach you 6 setups that have over a 70% win rate, and I got the motherfucking receipts to back it up. So if that's you, click that link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.